We born to connect from others' life. We learn from each other's life. We don't meet people by accident. Everyone who crosses our path carries a lesson. And some teach us how to love, some teach us how to be strong, and some teach us what never repeat again. We learn from their mistakes, from their courage, from the way they rise and fallen, or the way they fall when they stop listening to themselves. Life is not just about our own way and journey, it's about observing, understanding, and growing through the stories of others. When we listen without judgment and what without envy, we gain wisdom without paying the price ourselves. In the end, we are students and teachers, learning from each other's life, one story at a time.